everyone, welcome back to AMG Cloud. In this particular video, we are going to practice some questions on the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam. Okay, in this particular series, we'll have 1000 questions, out of which in this video, we will practice the questions from 61 to 80. Okay, without any further delay, let us get started with our video. Question number 61. Which of the following AWS services can integrate with AWS Shield to protect against denial of service, which is DDoS attacks? You have to select two options. First option, AWS Lambda. Second option, AWS Elastic Load Balancing. Third option, Amazon CloudFront. Fourth option, AWS Organizations. Fifth option, AWS KMS. Now guess the answer. The correct answer is Option 2, AWS Elastic Load Balancing, and Option 3, Amazon CloudFront. Question number 62. Security and compliance in AWS is a first option, responsibility of a customer. Second option, responsibility of AWS. Third option, shared responsibility of AWS and customer. Fourth option, none of the above. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Option 3, shared responsibility of AWS and customer. Okay. Question number 63. Which of the following provides low-cost storage for archives and backups in AWS? First option, EBS, Amazon Elastic Block Store. Second option, Amazon Glacier. Third option, AWS Storage Gateway. Fourth option, Amazon S3. Guess the answer. The correct answer is second option, Amazon Glacier. Question 64. Which of the following payment options offers the best discount for reserved instances? First option, partial upfront. Second option, no upfront. Third option, all upfront. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Option 3, all upfront. Question 65. Which service would you recommend to provide low latency access to static content from an application deployed in a single region to global users? Option 1, Amazon CloudFront. Option 2, Amazon CloudWatch. Option 3, Amazon SQS. Option 4, Route 53. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Option 1, Amazon CloudFront. Question 66. Which of the following AWS services support VPC endpoint gateway for a private connection from an VPC? You have to select two options. Option 1, Amazon EC2. Option 2, S3. Option 3, DynamoDB. Option 4, Amazon SNS. Option 5, Amazon SQS. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Option 2, S3 and Option 3, DynamoDB. Question number 67. Under the shared responsibility model of AWS, which of the following is the customer's responsibility from a security and compliance perspective? First option, configuration management for AWS global infrastructure. Second option, managing patches of the guest operating system on Amazon EC2. Third option, patching or fixing flaws within the AWS infrastructure. Fourth option, availability zone infrastructure management. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Option 2, managing patches of the guest operating system on Amazon EC2. Question number 68. A multinational company wants to migrate its IT infrastructure to AWS Cloud and requires a concierge support team and a response time of around an hour in case of system downtime. As a cloud practitioner, which support plan would you recommend to the company? Option 1, developer. Option 2, individual. Option 3, enterprise. Option 4, business. Guess the answer. The correct answer is Option 3, enterprise. Question number 69. According to the shared responsibility model, which of the following are responsibilities shared by both AWS and the customer? You have to select two options. Option 1, customer data. Option 2, configuration management. Option 3, data center security. Option 4, disposal of disk drives. Option 5, operating system configuration. Guess the answer. The correct answers are Option 2, configuration management, and Option 5, operating system configuration. Question 70. In which scenario can an auto-scaling group's predictive scaling be effectively used to maintain the required number of AWS resources? First option, to set up a scaling policy to maintain the average aggregate CPU utilization of your auto scaling group at 40%. Second option, to set up a CloudWatch Amazon SQS metric such as approximate number of messages visible to scale the group according to the metric's value. Third option, to manage a fixed number of resources within the autoscaling group. And fourth option, to handle a workload that shows recurring load patterns based on the day of the week or the time of the day. Now guess the answer. The correct answer is option 4, to handle a workload that shows recurring load patterns based on the day of the week or the time of the day. Question 71. A user plans to deploy 3 EC2 instances behind a single elastic load balancer with high availability in mind. How should the user achieve this? Option 1, launch the instances as EC2 reserved instances in the same AWS region but in different availability zones. Option 2, launch the instances across multiple availability zones in a single AWS region. Option 3, launch the instances in multiple AWS regions and use elastic IP addresses. Option 4, launch the instances as EC2 reserved instances in the same AWS region but in different availability zones. Now guess the answer. The correct answer is option 2, launch the instances across multiple availability zones in a single AWS region. Question 72. According to the shared responsibility model, which security related task falls under the customer's responsibility? Option 1, maintaining physical networking configuration. Option 2, maintaining firewall configurations at a hardware level. Option 3, securing servers and racks at AWS data centers. Option 4, maintaining server-side encryption. Now guess the answer. The correct answer is option 4, maintaining server-side encryption. Question 73. Under the AWS shared responsibility model, for which tasks is AWS responsible? You have to select two options. Option 1, physical security of the data center. Option 2, configuration of security groups. Option 3, encryption of customer data. Option 4, replacement and disposal of disk drives. Option 5, patch management of operating systems. Now guess the answer. The correct answers are option 1, physical security of the data center, and option 3, encryption of customer data. Question number 74. What AWS resource provides to capture information about inbound and outbound IP traffic on network interfaces in a VPC? Option 1, maintaining physical networking configuration. Option 2, VPC flow logs. Option 3, AWS Cloud Trail. Option 4, VPC endpoint. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 2, VPC flow logs. Question 75. Which database allows you to scale instantly without experiencing downtime? Option 1, Amazon RDS. Option 2, Amazon EMR. Option 3, Amazon Redshift. Option 4, Amazon DynamoDB. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 4, Amazon DynamoDB. Question 76. Which service enables the easy creation of multiple accounts? First option, AWS Cloud Formation. Second option, AWS IAM. Third option, AWS Organizations. Fourth option, Amazon Connect. Guess the answer. The correct answer is option 3, AWS Organizations. Okay. Question 77. Which AWS services utilize edge locations? You have to select two options. First option, AWS Shield. Second option, Amazon EBS. Third option, AWS Config. Fourth option, AWS Direct Connect. Fifth option, Amazon CloudFront. Guess the answer. The correct options are AWS Shield, first option, and Amazon CloudFront, fifth option. Okay. Question 78. Which service can you use to monitor, store, and access log files generated by EC2 instances and on-premises servers? First option, AWS OpsWork. Second option, AWS Cloud Trail. Third option, Amazon Kinesis. Fourth option, Amazon CloudWatch Logs. Guess the answer. The correct option is option 4, Amazon CloudWatch Logs. Question 79. What are two correct statements about AWS organizations with consolidated billing. You have to select two options. First option, linked accounts lose their management independence. Second option, one bill provided for multiple accounts. Third option, CloudTrail can be configured per organization. Fourth option, volume pricing discounts applied across multiple accounts. Fifth option, multiple bills are provided per organization. Now guess the answer. The correct options are option 2, one bill provided for multiple accounts, and option 4, volume pricing discounts applied across multiple accounts. Question 80, the last one. Which type of scaling does Amazon EC2 auto scaling offer? First option vertical, second option incremental, third option linear, fourth option horizontal. Guess the answer. The correct option is option 4, horizontal. So that was all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and till then, stay hydrated, stay safe, take care, and bye.